After days of just chilling at home during Holy Week since most establishments are closed, on Black Saturday 2019 I went south of the city to Las Piñas to check out some cool spots. First, I went to the Parish of St. Joseph, home of the famed bamboo organ. The church building itself has been rebuilt various times throughout history due to earthquake damage. It was first constructed in the early 19th century. The bamboo organ was also built in the 19th century, and the original has also been rebuilt after earthquake damage. Afterwards, I went to the Sarao Motors factory 1.4 kilometers, 0.87 miles away. It's very cool. The factory was established in 1953 to make jeepneys, small non-air-conditioned minibuses that are a mainstay of public transportation in the Philippines. It's still an active factory, though production has dwindled from its heyday. They welcome random drop-ins, as the sign says. Nobody is really manning the gate. You can just drop by, take photos, then leave. Capped off my day in the south with snacks and dinner on Aguirre Street in Parañaque. Here's an owl that mistakenly flew inside my house that very evening. It couldn't find its way out, so we enticed it to go inside a cage so we can bring it out to release it ourselves. Thank you for watching. Which was your favorite jeepney? Please comment below. Please thumb up this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.